Imagine yourself in a cozy kitchen, where soft sunlight streams through the windows, illuminating a wooden cutting board. On it rests a fresh, intact head of garlic, exuding its characteristic aroma. The camera zooms in, capturing a close-up of the rough texture of the skin and the gentle sheen of the garlic cloves. As they are peeled, they reveal their natural simplicity. In this setting, a serene voice begins to narrate, inviting you to explore the vast universe of the benefits of raw garlic. Raw garlic, often relegated to the role of a simple seasoning, hides a nutritional powerhouse within its small cloves that deserves to be discovered. Rich in allicin, a sulfur compound that forms when garlic is crushed or chopped, it stands out as one of the most potent natural remedies available to us. Allicin, responsible for garlic's strong aroma, is also the source of many of its health benefits. Let's start with the immune system. Regularly consuming raw garlic is like giving your body a gift, strengthening its natural defenses against infections. Numerous studies indicate that allicin can be effective in reducing the duration and severity of colds and flu, acting as a kind of natural shield against these common ailments. It's as if you are fortifying the walls of your immune system, preparing it to face any unwanted invader. Now, imagine the camera shifting focus to a graphic illustrating blood flow and blood pressure. Here, raw garlic reveals another of its remarkable qualities. It promotes cardiovascular health. Allicin has the ability to dilate blood vessels, facilitating blood circulation and helping to reduce blood pressure. This effect is especially beneficial for people suffering from hypertension, a silent and dangerous condition that, if not controlled, can lead to severe heart problems. In addition to helping control blood pressure, raw garlic also works to reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. By inhibiting the production of this type of cholesterol in the liver, garlic protects the heart and contributes to the maintenance of healthy arteries. With every clove of garlic you consume, you are, in a way, cleansing your arteries and strengthening your heart. We now return to the kitchen, where a delicious and nutritious meal is being prepared. Garlic, in addition to its benefits for the heart, is also an ally of the digestive system. Its antimicrobial properties help balance gut flora, combating harmful bacteria and promoting smoother digestion. This means less bloating, less discomfort, and a general feeling of well-being after meals. To top it off, raw garlic has also been studied for its anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that allicin and other sulfur compounds present in garlic may play a role in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells, offering an extra layer of protection against this devastating disease. So, when you look at a simple clove of garlic, remember that, although modest in size and appearance, it is a giant in terms of health benefits. Incorporating it into your daily diet is a small gesture with profound impacts on your well-being. Each time you peel and chop a clove of garlic, you're doing much more than preparing a meal. You're investing in your health and quality of life. With this in mind, imagine yourself once again in your kitchen, the heart of your home, where aromas begin to blend and the magic of food reveals itself. The camera now focuses on your hands as you prepare to transform a simple clove of garlic into a powerful and healthy addition to your daily routine. Now that you are aware of the incredible benefits of raw garlic, let's explore practical and tasty ways to include it in your diet. Starting with something simple, chop or crush a fresh clove of garlic, releasing that unmistakable aroma. Mix it with good extra virgin olive oil. This simple gesture creates a versatile seasoning that can turn any ordinary salad into a healthy gastronomic experience. Imagine drizzling this mixture over a vibrant green salad or spreading it on a slice of toasted whole grain bread, a delicious way to add a touch of health to your day. The scene changes, and now you are preparing a homemade soup, the kind that warms the body and soul. Here, the tip is to add chopped or crushed raw garlic right after cooking when the soup is ready to serve. This way, you preserve garlic's properties, which are sensitive to excessive heat. The mild flavor of raw garlic enriches the broth, transforming a simple dish into a functional and nutritious meal. The same goes for sauces. At the end of preparation, add raw garlic to keep its powerful benefits intact. For detox juice fans, here's a tip that will elevate your favorite recipe to another level. When preparing your green juice, try adding a small clove of raw garlic. Although it may seem bold, garlic blends well with the intense flavors of leafy greens and lemon, for example. In addition to adding a special touch, it enhances the juice's benefits, making it even more effective in detoxifying the body and strengthening the immune system. And for the bravest, there's the option of consuming a raw garlic clove on an empty stomach. This is a challenge for the palate, but the benefits are immense. This morning ritual can help purify the body, improve digestion throughout the day, and even give an extra boost to immunity. To make it easier, cut the garlic into small pieces and swallow them like pills with a glass of water, thus avoiding the intense taste in your mouth. It may be difficult at first, but the health benefits are worth it. Incorporating raw garlic into your daily routine may seem simple, but the effects on your well-being are profound. With these tips, you can enjoy all the benefits of garlic in a practical and delicious way, without complications and, most importantly, without losing the pleasure of eating well. Now, changing the tone and posture, you position yourself in front of the camera to share final considerations on the consumption of raw garlic. The focus here is to ensure that while seeking the benefits of this powerful plant, you are also aware of the necessary precautions to make the most of what garlic can offer without putting your health at risk. Raw garlic is undoubtedly one of the healthiest foods we can include in our diet, but like everything in life, balance is essential. Consuming raw garlic in excess can cause stomach discomfort, especially for those with a more sensitive digestive system. Garlic, naturally pungent, in large quantities, can irritate the stomach lining, causing a burning sensation or even pain. If you have a history of gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux, it is crucial to introduce raw garlic into your diet gradually, observing how your body reacts. In addition to digestive discomfort, remember that raw garlic has anticoagulant properties. This means it can interfere with blood clotting, which can be problematic for people already taking anticoagulant medications, such as warfarin or aspirin. These medications function to prevent blood clots, and garlic, by enhancing this effect, can increase the risk of bleeding. Therefore, if you are undergoing treatment with anticoagulants, it is essential to consult your doctor before increasing the consumption of raw garlic. Returning to the concept of balance, more is not always better. Raw garlic, despite its numerous benefits, should be consumed in moderation. Integrating small amounts into your daily diet is enough to reap its properties without overloading your body. A balanced diet that includes a variety of healthy foods will always be more effective than focusing on a single food, no matter how beneficial it is. As with any health practice, listening to your own body is crucial. Each person is unique, and what works well for one may not be ideal for another. Pay attention to the signs your body gives and adjust your raw garlic consumption as needed. This way, you can reap all the benefits of this superfood safely and effectively, always prioritizing long-term well-being. This careful balance is the key to a healthy life. Raw garlic can be a powerful addition to your routine, but, like everything, it should be used with wisdom and caution. By following these guidelines, you will be on the right path to a healthier and more fulfilling life. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to receive more content like this. Share this video on your social networks and in the family WhatsApp group. Leave your questions and comments below. See you next time. Waving hand.